Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're ready to install an ESIM on your Samsung A55. First, make sure your phone is updated and connected to Wi-Fi. This prevents download errors. Next, open Settings and go to Connections, then SIM Card Manager. You'll see an option to add mobile plan. Tap Add Mobile Plan and choose Scan Carrier QR Code or enter details manually. Once scanned, the phone validates the profile. Stay on the screen while it downloads to avoid corruption or timeout. Now configure the profile settings so your A55 uses the ESIM correctly. After the profile downloads, tap it to name the plan and set data roaming or preferred network options. This ensures the data route matches your needs. Then assign the ESIM as primary or secondary for calls and messages. You can switch later. Make sure mobile data is enabled for the new profile and check signal bars. If activation takes longer than a few minutes, toggle airplane mode on and off to prompt the net. Finish by testing voice, text, and data so you confirm the ESIM is fully active. Make a short call and load a web page. If everything works, you're done. If you use a physical SIM too, adjust dual SIM settings to prioritize data or calls as desired, and optionally remove the physical SIM. If activation fails, note any error codes shown and reboot the phone, then contact your carrier with those details. They can push the profile again or reset your ESIM provisioning to resolve lingering issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.